I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Thursday, April 17th. Soybeans and corn both ended the session modestly lower, basically just seeing some profit-taking pressure along with spillover from a modestly higher move in the US dollar index during the session in what was a pretty quiet day ahead of the markets being closed on Friday for Good Friday. Past that, both corn and soybeans continue to keep an eye on U.S. planting conditions with some near-term planting delays expected in many key U.S. growing areas, along with conditions in South America. Chicago wheat was up, Kansas City was down during the session, both also just basically taking the path of least resistance ahead of the long holiday weekend for U.S. commodity trade. Also watching the weather systems very closely and how much potential rainfall could be on the way for parts of the Midwest and the Plains. Live and feeder cattle closed higher. Box beef was up at midday, and the trade was watching direct cash cattle business develop while getting ready for the USDA's cattle on feed numbers, which were out after the close on Thursday. Direct cattle business during the session was light, but sharply higher than last week. And hogs were up modestly, supported by the higher midday move in the pork carcass cutout value. With the closing market minute for Thursday, April 17th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.